Hello everyone, I'm going to show you how to apply these easy glue-on kiss nails. First you're going to get a cotton swab or cotton ball and you're going to get your nail polish remover. Now carefully remove all the polish from your nails. Make sure you get it all. I had gel nails before I polished my own nails with regular polish, so there's some gel still under my polish I'm going to need to get off. This nail polish remover is not going to get it all, so I'm going to need to use the cuticle press to help me get some of this polish off. You want a nice, clean slate for you to stick your nails on. So I'm just using the wooden pick to kind of get all the polish off from my nails before. I go through these spurts where I like to get my nails done and then I do my own and I do gel and then I go to regular polish. I'm sure you know what I'm talking about. Okay, so now all the polish is off and I'm going to press my cuticles. This is my least favorite part. Something about it drives me nuts, but it is important to press your cuticles down so that your new nails stick for a long time and the glue goes on evenly and they don't come off. My nails will normally stay about 2 weeks if I do this part. You want to make sure that all the polish is off and your cuticles are pressed. So now we're going to get our nails. These are the glue-ons. I have used the press-ons before. They work pretty good, but they don't stay as well as these glue-ons. As you see, I got the light blue color with the gemstones. It came with a filing kit. I already had one, so I'm going to save that for a day when I need it. And here's the glue. These are the stiletto nails. I do like these. I like coffin, or I even like the round or the square, but the stiletto really looks good with the gemstones. Alright, so you want to go through the nails and you want to go ahead and lay out the nails you're going to use for each finger. So some you'll have to kind of finagle with, and also I don't like to follow patterns like on one hand. If I use certain colors for certain fingers, I don't have to use the same ones for my other hand. It's really not a big deal. I kind of like it when they mismatch. And my fingers, they're kind of like my toes. They're not the same. Each nail is kind of different. So I'm going to go through and see which nails fit properly. Alright, so I'm almost done picking out my nails. It's just less of a hassle when you go ahead and do this part. So there's my little pinky nail. They do make these small enough for my pinkies. If they're not small enough for your pinky nails, you could just get a nail cutter and clip them to fit. Alright, so my nails are all clean. I'm going to go ahead and open the glue, get it ready to go. I use my cotton swab to kind of get any excess glue that comes off. You'll notice when you push your nail, you'll see some of the glue coming out of the nail, and I just kind of wipe it really fast. And I don't use a whole lot of glue, but you don't want to just put one dab. You want to put maybe multiple dabs or just one big glob, because you really want these nails to stay. And then I'll just work the fingernail back and forth so that the glue spreads out evenly. And then I'll make sure to give it a hard press. That's really all it needs. But I'll do this with each finger, really making sure I press back and forth to get that glue even, and then I'll hold it down. So far they look like nice salon nails. They look like you spent $60 on them, and really they're only $10. I got these from the dollar store, but you can get them from Ulta, Target, Walmart. A lot of stores sell them. Alright, so I do have a baby. I am going to file my nails to get kind of the sharpness away. And there you go. Nice nails. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to please like and subscribe.